Welcome children. In this video we are discussing chapter 4 practical geometry. We know 5 measurements needed to construct a unique quadrilateral. Here that 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Then if it is given like this way, how can we construct a quadrilateral? I have taken example 1 first. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS equal to 5 cm, PS equal to 5.5 cm and PR is equal to 7 cm. After this example 1, we can do exercise problems. Before constructing that quadrilateral, first we have to draw a rough sketch of this PQRS. Just to draw a quadrilateral only needed, no need to, there is no relation with that given measurement and all, just to draw a four-sided polygon. Then we can give that name here, P, Q, R. Yes, children, while you are drawing this rough sketch, use a scale. Then PQRS, when we are giving name also, keep that order PQRS. Then we can give that measurements of that sides PQ, 4 centimeter. There is no relation with that given measurement and the rough sketch. QR, 6 centimeter. RS, 5 centimeter. PS, 5.5 centimeter. And PR, we did not draw till now. We have to join this P and R. We have joined P and R here, and PR is equal to 7 centimeter. It is given here. Now we have measured that all, written that all measurements here. PQ 4 centimeter, QR 6 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter, PS equal to 5.5 centimeter, and PR 7 centimeter. Here now we have got a visualization of this PQRS. According to this rough sketch, we have to construct that original figure. Here we know PQR is a triangle and PRS is another triangle. So two triangles are here. For constructing this quadrilateral PQRS, we have to construct these two triangles. Children, for constructing this quadrilateral PQRS, we need a ruler, pencil, eraser and a compass. First, we have to draw PR with the 7 centimeter. PR with the 7 centimeter. Here I am drawing. Here 0, put a point on 0 and 7. Then join this. Then we can give that name PR. We have drawn here PR with the 7 centimeter length. Write that 7 centimeter here. Then look here, first we are constructing the triangle PQR. The point Q is 4 centimeter away from P. So we have to measure 4 centimeter. Then we have to measure that PQ 4 centimeter. We have to take that compass width 4 centimeter. By using a ruler, measure 4 centimeter. Now it is 4 centimeter. I have taken. Then pointing on P, draw an arc like this way. And next we have to look here, QR, that is from R, Q is 6 centimeter away. Then we have to rearrange our compass with 6 centimeter. And from R, draw, pointing on R, draw another arc. Like this way, and we have got that point Q. Mark that point Q here and join these PQ and RQ. By using a ruler, we can join these points. Similarly, join PQ also. Then we have to give that measurements here. RQ 6 centimeter right here, and PQ 4 centimeter also we can write here. Then we have to construct this upper triangle PRS. For that, S is 5.5 centimeter distance away from P. So we have to adjust our compass with the 5.5 centimeter by using a ruler. Here you can see 5.5 centimeter. I am taking, here it is 5, then 5.5 here. Now it is 5.5. Then pointing on P, draw an arc like this way. Then we have to find the distance from R to S, that is 5 centimeter. Adjust our compass with the 5 centimeter. Here I have taken 5 centimeter. Then pointing on R, draw, pointing on R, draw another arc. Now we have got that point of intersection here, and this point is our S. We can give that S, then S here. Then join PS and RS. PS and RS we are joining now. Now we have completed this quadrilateral, and RS equal to 5 centimeter we have to write here. Then PS equal to 5.5 centimeter. Our quadrilateral is constructed successfully. Then we can do that. Example problem we have completed. Exercise 4.1, question number 1 and 2, same questions. No change at all, just measurements only changed. So you can construct that very easily. Similar way itself you can construct that quadrilateral ABCD and jump. Now I am doing that parallelogram more by using the given measurements. Next we can do exercise 4.1, third question. Construct parallelogram more where OR is equal to 6 cm, RE is equal to 4.5 cm, EO is equal to 7.5 cm. First we can draw a rough sketch of this parallelogram more. When you are drawing the rough sketch, you can use that ruler and all and give that name more, M O R E. Then give that measurements, what all things given. OR is equal to 6 cm. This is OR 6 cm. Then RE 4.5 cm. EO 7.5 cm. EO we have to join E and O. That is equal to 7.5 cm. Then see, this is a parallelogram, so we know opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, here RO is equal to EM. Here this also 6 cm. Then here ER is equal to opposite side MO. Here it is 4.5 cm. Now we have that 5 measurements, 4 sides and 1 diagonal. By using this, we can draw a parallelogram. First we can construct this triangle EOM. And here we know that 3 sides are given. EO we can draw first. So first we can draw EO, the diagonal EO 7.5 centimeter. See here, this is 7.5 and here it is 0 to 7.5. Then we can mark here EO 7.5 centimeter. Then next we can find the point M. M is 6 centimeter away from E. So adjust your compass width. Take a compass and adjust your compass width 6 centimeter. See here, you can see compass width 6 centimeter. Moving on E, we have to draw 6 centimeter arc like this way, pointing on E. Point your compass on E and draw an arc like this way. From O, M is 4.5 centimeter away. We can take that 4.5. Now it is 4.5. Then pointing on O, draw an arc. Pointing on O, draw an arc like this way. Now we have got that point M, EM 6 centimeter and OM 4.5 centimeter. We have drawn the two arcs. Then we have to join this point EM, E and M. Similarly, join this O and M. Then we have to give that measurements here. Write that measurement EM 6 centimeter right here and OM 4.5 centimeter. Similarly, we have to draw that other two sides for another triangle so that it is easy to measure from here to here. That is OM is equal to RE. So we have to point it on E and draw an arc. And another one, EM is equal to OR. Here you see EM is equal to OR. Then pointing on O, draw another arc. Then we have got that point of intersection of that arc. That is the point. Which point? R. So we have to write that point here R and join ER. E and R we are joining, and here OR also we have to join by using a ruler. Now our parallelogram more M-O-R-E. More is ready, and here we have to write 6 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. Here we have to write 4.5 centimeter. This is the parallelogram M-O-R-E. Then our next question is exercise 4.1, fourth question. Construct rhombus best where B is equal to 4.5 centimeter, ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Here I have drawn one rhombus, rough sketch of a rhombus. Then we can give best here B E S T best, and BE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. ET 6 centimeter. This much measurements only given. This is a rhombus. So we know that properties of a rhombus, all sides are equal. Here all sides are 4.5 centimeter itself, 4.5 centimeter. Here also 4.5 centimeter. We can write that measurements here. All sides are equal. Then we can construct this rhombus very easily. First we have to draw that ET with the 6 centimeter. ET with the 6 centimeter and write here ET 6 centimeter. Then next we have to take a compass, and our compass width should be 4.5 centimeter. Here you can see that 4.5. Then pointing on E, draw one arc upper part and lower part. And no need to change that compass width. Similarly, we have to point it on G, draw an arc on up and down. Like this way. Then now we have got that point of intersection. Look here, E, S, here we have written B, E, S, T. So this is the point B, E, this is the point S, B, E, S, T. Then next we just want to join these points E, B, E, S, S, T, and BT. Then we know it is all sides are 4.5 centimeter, and right here 4.5 centimeter, here also 4.5 centimeter, here also 4.5 centimeter. Now our rhombus BEST, BEST, BEST is ready.